Hello. Now I'm gonna explain what is dot symmetric relation, so let's start.
A symmetric relation is a type of binary relation where if one element is related to another element, then the second element is also related to the first. In simpler terms, if A is related to B, then B is also related to A. So let's have an example. So if si A daw is married to B, then si B dapat is married to A. So let's have another example. Let's consider set A containing 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have relation 1 and 2. Relation 1 containing 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 4. Relation 2 containing 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. So let's examine R1 kung symmetric or dili. So you have 1, 1. Symmetric element ani is 1, 1 yapon. Then 1, 2. So ang symmetric element ani sa 1, 2 is 2, 1 but wala may 2, 1. So it means this relation is not symmetric. So let's examine R2 kung symmetric or dili. You have 1, 1. So natin 1, 1. And then 1, 2. Ang symmetric element ani is 2, 1. So naa. Then 2, 2, 2. 3, 3, 4, 4. So relation 2 is symmetric. And that's all.